Okay, so the layers are coming in very well. Not like the ABS plastic, which would actually warp. The printer's doing a very, very good job. PLA requires a lower heat though. For the test piece, I started at 195 degrees Celsius on the extruder head, and then it was 85 degrees Celsius on the bed. It's getting pretty close to completion. So here's the finished product. Notice the extruder went back to its home position.
To learn more about making a roller coaster, check out my blog at therollercoasterproject.com.